Good morning everyone and happy Vlogmas day 17. I'm literally just out of bed, as you can probably see. I've just fed Noah, so now I am gonna get myself organized for the day. All the wispy bits of my hair, all my like new bits of hair are all grown back, and they're kind of like grown back really strange, like, and just spiky. I have a few little packages I thought I might show you this morning. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust that camera. I got an order from Beauty Bay. They sent me out a big box. Hang on now. This box here. So inside that they sent me this lovely turquoise package, which I'm gonna open for you guys as well. And then I got myself a Yankee candle just in time for Christmas. This one is the Christmas cookie. I usually get this, or there's a pink one, what's it called, snowflake cookie or something. I usually get one of them around this time of the year. I love the smell of it and I just burned that one. And then I also got a pretty little thing order. I think I only ordered a pair of leggings and a t-shirt, so I'll show you that now. I got a pair of these leggings. They are the contour from the contour collection, and they are split hemmed, so I don't know what they're going to be like because I've never really worn anything like that before. I don't even know if I'm even going to like them. Then I also picked up this Montana charcoal t-shirt. Again, I saw this on the website and I fell in love with this, and it's oversized as well, and it's kind of like a shorter t-shirt, so you could like tuck it up, you could tie it or whatever. That's what it looks like. I just like that t-shirt, and I got a size small in that. Wow, that's big for a small, but yeah, I definitely wouldn't size up too much. And then in the leggings, I think they're an extra small. Yeah, they're an extra small, and these are actually called the black structure contour ribbed split hem leggings, just in case you're wondering. So we'll try them on later. So that's just what I got from Pretty Little Thing. Now I'll show you the Beauty Bay. You know what, I think I'm going to bring the camera down because it's going to be easier to see what's inside. Inside the box we have "You're on our nice list." And this is obviously a card, and inside here we have a 12-piece brush set. Ooh, they come in a brush roll. That's really nice. And they tie. How cute is that? So many like blending brushes in here. Oh my god, these are really nice quality brushes. What are these? Cans. One of these is alcohol. This is wine for whenever, and it's from Nice Malbec. What sort of wine is this? So 3 of these cans equals a bottle. So this is like a glass of wine. It doesn't tell me if it's white wine or red wine, so I don't know. I'll hang on to that over Christmas. And then this one is chai latte. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have that today. So this is from Minor Figures, and it is a spiced tea and oat milk latte. I'm going to give that a go. I'm going to definitely drink that today. I need to put them in the fridge. Oh, look how cute that is. Some chocolate cocoa dusted truffle. Such a cute little gift. Thank you so much, Beauty Bay. We have some eyelashes in here. Oh, they look really nice. They're quite dramatic. I don't know if you guys can see. They look really nice. I like them lashes. I'll be wearing them over Christmas. So I've got 3 gel liners. That is like my jam when it comes to an eyeliner. I love a brown eyeliner. The shade Serpent, which is a green color. That is such a nice color. And then the last shade is Void, which is just your regular black. This is a plumping lip gloss, which I think our plumping lip gloss is just all the range right now. And this just comes in a clear shade. And then the last thing is this 15 color palette, and this is the Fiery. There's a few Beauty Bay palettes and I really like them, so this is what it looks like. Oh wow, that is right up my alley when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. I am obsessed with it. What a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. So thank you so much, Beauty Bay, for all those lovely things. What a gorgeous gift. Thank you. Oh, I forgot to show you the leggings. They just look like that. I like the fit of them. I like the shape of them. It's like the split hem leggings. Just something different. And I'm just wearing like a t-shirt that I've tucked in. I'm wearing this telly jacket and sweltering, and it is so warm today. Oh, Noah and I are out for a walk. This is the first time I've been out for a walk and I don't know how long. We haven't been able to get out just with the wet weather, and just, you know, it just hasn't been particularly nice. I'm not going to do more than like a 4k walk because it's just going to get dark, and that usually takes me roughly around over half an hour. So I'm just going to do as much as I can before it gets dark. I just had a soup and a sandwich there now. I haven't edited and uploaded anything over the last few days. Noah hasn't been well. He's just teething pretty bad, and you know, I've just been taking time away from YouTube just because I want to focus on him, and you know, trying to get him feel a bit better. But he seems in really good form today, so we're out for a walk just to give him some fresh air, and I have him bundled up so tight. And I think he's also going to be moving into the bigger buggy, because I think this little buggy is just gone too small now. He's going to be in the big boy buggy. Oh my god, I just noticed how noisy it was back there. Yeah, so Noah is going to be in his big boy buggy soon, and I'm so sad. My little baby's getting so big. He's like 7 months now, so I suppose like can't be a teeny tiny baby forever. Kind of sad he's getting to be that bit bigger. So Christmas shopping is nearly done, and I just feel like I'm a lot less stressed than I was the other day. I have a small few bits left to get from my daddy, and then a couple of things left for Paddy's parents. Santa's going to be here in less than 10 days. How exciting, Noah. He doesn't care obviously because it's his first Christmas and he doesn't know anything about Santa. Obviously like next year he's going to know a bit more, and it's going to be really exciting. Like this year he hasn't a clue what's going on. He's not even that interested in like the Christmas tree lights or anything. He's just kind of like, whatever about life, I don't care. I'm just in Paddy's now editing the last video that I did for you guys, so I'm 2 days behind, but sure, look, it is what it is. Also look at Paddy's Christmas tree. Isn't it so nice? Noah's asleep, so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet while I edit this. We're sitting on Paddy's bed watching Coco Melon going slowly insane, but Noah's enjoying it. Aren't you, Noah?
It's like a cryptic.
It's like some sort of like
sorcery.
I don't know what it is. It's like something that like hypnotizes the kids. It has no rhyming like no rhyming words. It's just like the same tune over and over in every single song. But you're very happy. Yes, you are. You having great fun? Finally got this video uploaded, and it is just going through the copyright check, so it should be ready to go soon. I'm only behind by one vlog, which is not too bad. I should catch up then like over the weekend or whatever. Probably won't be vlogging much on Christmas Eve because obviously I'll have a lot going on. I'm trying to get everything organized for Christmas Day and Santa coming and everything. So I haven't had much time to watch anybody's Vlogmas. I've been sucked into watching Whitney Port's reaction to The Hills, so that's what I've been watching lately, if I get any free time at all, which is kind of rare. The next Just Like That is on tonight. I'm gonna meet Jenna this week as well. I actually don't even know what day Christmas Day is on. You know the way like you just lose track. Christmas Day is on Saturday, so Christmas Eve is on Friday. Mum, Dad, me, Ollie and Noah are gonna go into town, I think like into like Henry Street and onto Grafton Street and stuff, just to look at the Christmas lights with Noah on Tuesday or Wednesday. No, Monday we're going in. Paddy has finished work on Thursday on the 23rd. His last day at work is the 22nd. So I think we're gonna try and see Santa. Like, is that leaving it way too tight? Possibly. If we don't get to see him, we don't get to see him. No big deal. Especially with like COVID and stuff. Like, if we get to see him, we do. We don't. Whatever. And hopefully get a little bit of shopping and go for some lunch and stuff with Jenna. So I have a lot of stuff coming up this week. Also, the fact that Malcolm in the Middle is back. Well, not back. That is on Disney Plus. Has just made my entire childhood. I am obsessed with this. Okay guys, it's the end of the night, so I'm just going to brush my teeth, sort my face out, and I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I don't even know what day today is. I think it's the 17th Vlogmas, day 17. I'm losing track. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!